Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where for some reason a person is missing on Messenger. Either that or you can't reply to that conversation and it looks like that person is completely gone or whatever the case is. Now, sometimes this can happen if somebody either deleted their Facebook account or if they removed their profile account or if they temporarily deleted their account or if they blocked you. If it's one of those things and if you try to go through and if you know the person's name, for example, let's say it was whatever the name's person was, all you have to do is search up that person on Facebook or Instagram, wherever you're messaging them from, and you want to see if their account is still up. If their account is still up, then that probably means there's a bug within Messenger, and I'll explain how to fix that. But if their account is gone or missing, or you can't find it, either they blocked you or they deleted the account. So you can text them or contact them some other way and ask them what happened or whatever the case is, or maybe they don't want to talk to you anymore, and that's probably what happened. Now, let's say it seems like their account is up, but you just can't access it for some reason. Well, what you want to do is you want to open up your app store just like this, whether you're on Android or iOS or even any other application service out there. You want to go and click on search and you want to go and type in Messenger. So you just want to go ahead and find that Messenger application, so you can just search for it like this. You then want to go ahead and find Messenger, so you can see for me it's right here, and you want to update that specific application. If you're on a very outdated version of Messenger, there may have been some features added or some continuity issues that if you went up to the newest version of Messenger, maybe the older ones don't work. So all you want to do is update Messenger, and that should probably fix it for a lot of you. If that doesn't fix it, another thing I'd recommend doing is finding your Messenger app, holding it down and just deleting that application and then just reinstalling that application. That's another thing I've seen a lot of people go through, and from my experience, that's one of the easier ways to fix it as well. Now, if that doesn't fix it, another thing that could potentially be the issue why this is happening is if Messenger randomly went down. So if the Facebook servers or Instagram servers, WhatsApp servers, basically all of them run the same thing, and if the servers went down, well, all you're going to have to do is just wait until Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp or whatever fix those servers. Because those servers are pretty much shared pretty much on all those companies, all you have to do is just wait it out until they fix those problems. So a way to tell is to make your way over to the comment section of this video, sort by the latest comments. You can also make your way over to something like downdetector.com and see if Facebook is down there. If it is, you're pretty much just going to have to wait until they fix that problem. So those are just a couple ways to fix it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.